Get ready to be amazed. BV200 viral gem literally everywhere is officially taking over the internet. Stop scrolling right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it is super lightweight and durable. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it works better than anything else in the market. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before the price goes back up. Get ready to be amazed. BV200 viral gem literally everywhere is officially taking over the internet. Stop